Fowl Coryza is a common respiratory disease that affects chickens and other poultry. It's like a bad cold that can spread quickly through your flock. Caused by bacteria, it can make your birds feel miserable and impact egg production. In severe cases, it can even be fatal. Don't worry though. There are natural ways to treat and prevent this disease. By understanding Fowl Coryza and using organic methods, you can keep your flock healthy and happy. Let's explore some effective organic treatments that can help your birds recover and thrive. Early detection is key to preventing the spread of Fowl Coryza. This bacterial infection can quickly devastate your flock if not caught in time. Keep a close eye on your flock for these telltale signs. They can be subtle at first but become more pronounced as the disease progresses. You might notice clear or discolored mucus running from your chicken's nostrils. This is often one of the first signs that something is wrong. The area around their eyes and sinuses might become puffy and swollen, indicating an infection. These are common symptoms of respiratory distress. Listen for wheezing or gurgling sounds as your chickens breathe. Sick chickens often lose their appetite and become less active. They may appear lethargic and uninterested in their surroundings. Laying hens might stop producing eggs or lay fewer than usual. This drop in egg production can be a significant indicator of illness. If you spot any of these symptoms, isolate the affected birds immediately. This step is crucial to prevent the disease from spreading. This will help prevent the disease from spreading to the rest of your flock. Healthy chickens should be monitored closely for any signs of infection. Remember, early intervention is crucial for a successful recovery. Administer appropriate care and consult a veterinarian if necessary to ensure the health of your flock. When it comes to our feathered friends, many of us prefer natural solutions over conventional medications. This preference stems from a desire to avoid the potential side effects and chemical residues that can come with conventional treatments. Organic treatments derived from nature are gentler on your bird systems and better for the environment. They often utilize ingredients that are readily available and sustainable, making them an eco-friendly choice for conscientious farmers. These treatments can effectively support your chicken's immune systems and help them combat diseases like Fowl Coryza. By boosting their natural defenses, you can reduce the need for synthetic antibiotics and other medications. Garlic and ginger, for instance, are potent natural antibiotics and anti-inflammatory. These common kitchen ingredients can be easily incorporated into your chicken's diet to help ward off infections and reduce inflammation. Apple cider vinegar, another pantry staple, helps balance the pH levels in the chicken's gut, creating an unfavorable environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. This simple addition to their water can make a significant difference in their overall health. These simple organic remedies can work wonders in keeping your flock healthy and productive. By choosing natural treatments, you not only ensure the well-being of your chickens, but also contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly farming practice. Garlic and ginger are kitchen staples with remarkable healing properties. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, effectively killing bacteria and boosting the immune system. Ginger, on the other hand, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, soothing the respiratory tract and easing discomfort. Together, they form a powerful duo to combat Fowl Coryza. The pungent compounds in garlic, known as allicin, exhibit strong antimicrobial effects, effectively targeting the bacteria responsible for the disease. Ginger, with its active compound gingerol, helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, providing relief from congestion and breathing difficulties. Preparing the garlic and ginger treatment is, well, pretty straightforward and doesn't take much effort at all. This natural remedy is not only easy to make, but also highly effective in boosting the health of your poultry. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and 2 quarts of fresh water. Make sure the garlic and ginger are fresh, as this will ensure the maximum potency of the treatment. Next, crush the garlic and ginger. You can use a mortar and pestle for this, or you can just finely chop them if that's easier. Crushing or chopping helps to release the essential oils and active compounds that are beneficial for your chickens. Then, add the crushed garlic and ginger to the water and bring it to a simmer. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all those beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. The simmering process is crucial as it helps to extract the maximum amount of nutrients and medicinal properties from the garlic and ginger. Once it's cooled, strain the mixture to remove the garlic and ginger pieces. Straining ensures that the liquid is clear and free from any solid particles, making it easier for your chickens to drink. The resulting liquid is your potent all-natural remedy. Add this to your chickens' drinking water for a few days. It will help them combat the infection and recover faster. Regular use of this treatment can also act as a preventive measure, keeping your flock healthy and resilient against common ailments. The versatility of apple cider vinegar or ACV, is another fantastic natural remedy. It's a powerhouse of beneficial bacteria acting as a pre-probiotic to promote gut health in chickens. A healthy gut is crucial for a robust immune system. ACV's acidic nature helps balance the pH levels in the chicken's digestive system. This creates an environment that is unfavorable for harmful bacteria to thrive, further bolstering their natural defenses. Adding ACV to your chicken's water can help prevent the spread of Fowl Coryza and other bacterial infections. A powerful combined remedy. For an extra boost of immunity and faster recovery, consider combining the power of garlic, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. This potent concoction delivers a triple-action punch against Fowl Coryza. To prepare this remedy, follow the steps for making the garlic and ginger infusion. Once you've strained the mixture, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar per gallon of drinking water. This combination provides comprehensive support, targeting the infection, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall immunity. The importance of a clean environment. While natural remedies are incredibly effective, preventing the spread of Fowl Coryza also relies heavily on maintaining a clean and healthy environment for your flock. A clean coop reduces the chances of bacterial buildup and keeps your birds healthy. Regularly clean and disinfect your chicken coop, removing droppings and replacing bedding material. Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent ammonia buildup, as it can irritate their respiratory systems. Providing your chickens with ample space to roam and fresh air is crucial for their overall well-being and minimizes the risk of disease outbreaks. Keeping your flock healthy. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By implementing natural remedies and maintaining a clean living environment, you can effectively safeguard your flock against Fowl Coryza and other poultry diseases. These simple, organic solutions are not only effective, but also promote the overall well-being of your chickens. Keep a watchful eye on your flock and don't hesitate to implement these natural remedies at the first sign of illness. By embracing a natural approach to poultry care, you can enjoy a healthy, happy, and productive flock for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on keeping your poultry healthy naturally. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and tips for maintaining a healthy, happy flock. Together, we can embrace natural, organic solutions for poultry care and ensure our feathered friends thrive. Stay tuned for more insights and remedies that will keep your chickens in top shape. Until next time, take care and happy farming.